When hearing data breach, we picture a shadowy figure in a dark room, furiously typing to smash through a corporate firewall. Information actually escapes during the most mundane parts of the day, like the frantic minute before a meeting or a last-second file upload. This quiet, accidental exposure of information is called data leakage. It happens when private details, business records, or sensitive files end up with the wrong person, in the wrong system, or in the wrong physical place. Data leakage happens when personal, confidential, or business-sensitive information is exposed to the wrong person, wrong system, or wrong location. It does not always happen because of hackers. Sometimes it happens because of simple mistakes. The fast pace of our daily work routines creates the majority of these risks for our data. We have all experienced the panic of a rushed email. You start typing a name, the email program helpfully finishes it for you, and you hit send without a second thought. Relying on autocomplete is one of the most common ways data escapes. A sensitive file, like a student's academic record or an internal company memo, can instantly land in the inbox of a completely unauthorized stranger. That same desire to save a few seconds creates another major risk when we use cloud storage. Sometimes a file is too large to email, or we want to share it quickly, so we upload it and select a setting that says anyone with the link can view. Another risk is sharing files using public links or incorrect permissions. If a file is set to anyone with the link, it may be accessed by people who should not see it. Features like autocomplete and quick share links are designed for speed, but using them without a second look can strip away the protections our data relies on. Our digital habits are only half the equation. Our physical surroundings play a major role too, especially when working remotely or traveling. Having an animated conversation about sensitive metrics at a coffee shop means anyone sitting nearby can listen in and gather private information. Leaving your laptop screen open and unlocked while you step away for a moment does the exact same thing. A private dashboard is suddenly exposed to any passing stranger. Then there are the shortcuts we invent to make working from home or traveling feel a little easier. You might copy work files to a personal USB drive so you can print them later, or forward documents to a personal cloud account so you can read them on your tablet. You are moving data from a highly monitored, secure environment into a space that lacks those defenses. Once those files move to your personal devices, your organization can no longer protect them. Treating a public cafe or a personal thumb drive as a safe extension of the office results in an immediate loss of control over the organization's data. Since the main cause of these leaks is rushing, the most effective defense is incredibly simple: introducing a moment of friction. First, pause. Take a breath before sending, sharing, or moving a file. Second, check. Verify the recipient, file permissions, and your surroundings. Third, report. If you make a mistake, tell someone right away. Doing it immediately stops the problem from spreading. Rapid reporting allows the security team to act immediately. They can revoke access, disable links, and contain the exposure before it causes real damage. Protecting data is a daily responsibility we all share. Small, deliberate actions keep our information safe. Pause, check, and report.